Sit with crossed legs and a straight back. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your hands resting on your knees. Your body should look calm, steady, and peaceful. Sit tall and place hands on the belly. Slowly breathe in to make the belly rise like a balloon. Slowly breathe out to make the belly fall softly. Kneel on hands and knees and round your back up like a stretching cat. Drop the head so the neck is relaxed. The back should form a gentle curved shape. Lift your head and chest while dropping your belly down. Keep your arms straight and soft. Your spine should look long and open. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead gently on the mat. Your whole body should look soft and relaxed. Sit on your knees with a tall spine. Stretch both arms up toward the sky. Your body should look long, lifted, and strong. Stand tall with feet together and arms by your sides. Keep your chest open and your gaze forward. The body should look straight, balanced, and grounded. Stand tall and stretch arms overhead. Lean slowly to one side to make a long curve. Your body should form a soft crescent shape. Bend forward from the hips and let your hands reach the floor. Relax your head and soften your knees. Your upper body should hang like a loose waterfall. Bend your knees like you are sitting in a chair. Reach your arms forward or upward. Your body should look strong, steady, and balanced. Step one foot back and bend the front knee. Lift both arms up high. Your body should look brave, tall, and powerful. Spread your arms out to the sides and gaze over the front hand. Keep the front knee bent and the back leg strong. Your body should look open, wide, and confident. back leg and reach the other arm overhead. Lift your chest gently. Your body should make a graceful arc. Straighten both legs and reach one hand down toward the shin. Stretch the other arm to the sky. Your body should form a long, open triangle shape. Stand on one leg and place the other foot on the calf or inner thigh. Bring your hands together at your heart or lift them up. Your body should look tall, steady, and balanced like a tree. Sit with legs straight and reach for your feet. Keep your back long as you fold forward. Your body should look calm and stretched. Sit with your feet together and knees open. Hold your feet gently. Your body should look relaxed and open like butterfly wings.